The resultant of two forces acting at an angle 150 is 10 Newton and is perpendicular one of the force. The other forces, they have given four options: 20 root 3, 10 root 3, 20, 20 root 3. Very important problem. That is very important problem for NET and JEE purpose also. The resultant of two forces acting at an angle 150, and the value of resultant they have given 10 Newton, and resultant is perpendicular to one of the force. So see, like this question, we are using parallelogram law. Okay. See here, one word, remember, concentrate here. Resultant is perpendicular to one of the force. So here, firstly draw figure. If resultant is perpendicular, diagonal will perpendicular. How will draw the figure? This way make resultant. This is the resultant. Join this and draw parallel. If we draw parallel, firstly draw a small vector. Okay, this vector, suppose this is A, this is B, this I have given C. Firstly, what we have done? First vector, and this is resultant, diagonal I have drawn. Okay, and then I have made the parallelogram. So this is first vector, this is the second vector, and resultant mean diagonal is perpendicular to the one of the vector. What they have given? The resultant of two forces acting 150 degree. So see, total angle is 150. They have given from here to here, that is 150. So if you see, this angle will be, this is 90, so this angle will be 60 degree. So see here angle BOC is equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay. So resultant of two forces and resultant they have given 10 Newton, so this is 10 Newton. What they are asking, is perpendicular to one of the force. Okay. So this resultant is perpendicular to force. So this force, suppose F1. So what will see? Resultant, suppose this is F resultant, two forces of F1 and F2. So resultant force F is perpendicular to one of the force, F1. What we have to find the other force. So we have to find magnitude of force F2. This we have to find. To see, it is very simple. If you will see from the figure, so this angle is 60 degree, this is FT, this is F resultant 10. If you take the triangle OCB, this 90, this is also 90. So right angle triangle OCB, right angle triangle OCB. You can see here, if you are using cos theta, cos 60 is equal to base upon F upon F2. The F they have given 10, we have to find F2. Cos 60, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 10 upon F2. Then F2 is equal to 20. This is 20 Newton. By simply, if you are drawing the figure, if any times they have given resultant is perpendicular to one of the vector, so like that you will draw the figure. Firstly one vector and perpendicular diagonal, then complete the parallelogram. You get very easily by the figure you can find the other forces or other vector. If they want F1, they will use this triangle, and very easily by geometrical method you can find the vector, magnitude of vector which you are want. The sum of magnitudes of two forces acting at a point is 16, and magnitude of their resultant is 8 root 3 if the resultant is 90 degree with the force of a smaller magnitude, then their magnitudes are, two forces are there. See here also they have given the resultant is 90 degree. So I have told you, if resultant is 90 degree, how we are making this suppose smaller force and resultant is at 90 degree. Firstly make the diagonal, that is resultant. Complete this and draw the parallel. Same you will draw and complete the parallelogram. So see here, this is the two vectors, two forces. Suppose this is F1, this is F2, and this will be the resultant, that is F. Suppose what they have said, sum of magnitude being F1, magnitude of F1 plus magnitude of F2. They have given this is 16. That is F1 plus F2 is 16. Magnitude of, we are writing in only single form F1. Magnitude of F2 I have written here F2. And what they have given, their resultant in magnitude of F they have given, that is 8 root 3. Resultant is 90 degree. Here I have shown this is at 90 degree. Resultant is 90 degree with the smaller force. F1 is here a smaller force. Find the magnitudes of F1 and F2. Thus, here we can see simply. This is F1. The magnitude of this is F1. So this will, by parallelogram law, so this suppose this OABC. So OABC is parallelogram. So here OA is equal to BC. Mean this side BC also equal to what? BC is equal to क्या होगा बेटा? F1. OC is equal to किसके बराबर है बेटा? F. This is 8 root 3 and OB is equal to किसके बराबर है बेटा? F2. तो see here we can apply Pythagoras. ठीक है, यहाँ हम Pythagoras apply करें. We will apply and simply we can find. So see here, by Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle OCB, right angle triangle OCB, what happened? F2 square is equal to what? F square plus F1 square. Here F2 is equal to what? 16 minus F1. तो 16 minus F1 square is equal to क्या होगा बेटा? F square plus F1 square. A minus B whole square. 256 plus F1 square minus 32 F1. F they have given 8 root 3. So that is 8 root 3 plus F1 square. See F1 square we can cancel out. Minus 32 F1 is equal to 8 8 is 64 into 3 minus 256 simplified minus 256 to minus 32 F1 is equal to 6 to 4 64. What happened? F1 is equal to 64 upon 32, that is 2. The smaller force has come 2 Newton. F1 plus F2 16. So second force F2 is equal to what? 16 minus F1, to 16 minus 2, that is 14. So 2 and 14. Option will come B option. Their magnitudes is 2 and 14. So simple problem is there. They have given sum of the vectors. If in any question, if resultant is perpendicular to a smaller vector, so firstly draw the figure. Okay, parallelogram law. Diagonal will be perpendicular and draw a parallelogram says that diagonal is perpendicular to one of the side. So simply draw and by geometry directly you will use geometry. यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली आप ज्योमेट्री यूज करो जैसे मैंने भी किया. ठीक है, F1 F2 दिया है, सम ऑफ F1 F2 दिया है, F दिया है तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल I have taken and very simply we can find the two forces. ठीक है, तो जब भी कभी भी अगर रिजल्टेंट आपका दिया हो बेटा वो किसी एक फोर्स के या किसी एक वेक्टर के परपेंडिकुलर है तो बेटर होता है कि हम क्या करें बेटा, ज्योमेट्री का यूज़ करें लाइक दैट. पहले हम पैरेललोग्राम बनाएं और उसको हम सॉल्व करके वी कैन फाइंड इजीली. If A is equal to B plus C and there the magnitude of A, B, C are 5, 4 and 3 units respectively, then angle between A and C. See, one question is there. A is equal to B plus C they have given and magnitude of A, B, C they have given. What they are asking? They are asking about the angle between A and C. So see how we are solving these problems. See, they have given A is equal to B plus C. If you want to find the angle between A and C, to keep A and C one side. So see, if I have taken this C left hand side, okay, A minus C is equal to B. ठीक है. अच्छा, one thing we know. Dot product property, A dot A is equal to what? Mod of A square. And dot product other properties what we are known, distributive law. A dot B plus C is equal to what? A dot B plus A dot C. Another properties of dot product, important property what we know, that commutative law. A dot B is equal to B dot A. So see, A dot B is equal to what? Mod of A mod of B cos theta. This property we know. ठीक है, by help of the characteristic or properties of dot product we will find the angle between A and C. So see here, A minus C is equal to B. So we are doing the same dot product. What happened? A minus C dot A minus C, what happened, is equal to B dot B. I have multiplied same LHS to LHS, dot product I have taken RHS to RHS because A minus C is equal to B, so both are equal. By distributive law what we will say, A dot A dot C, C dot A minus minus plus C dot C. Here B dot B, that is mod of B square. So see here, A dot A, that is A square. See here, dot product commutative law. So A dot C is equal to C dot A, so this will becomes minus 2A dot C. Here C square is equal to B square. So see here, A square by A dot C by dot property mod of A mod of C. If angle between A and C I have taken theta, which we have to find angle between A and C, so that is cos theta. C square B square. Magnitude of A, B, C they have given 5, 4, 3. Magnitude of A, that is 5, A 5. B they have given 4, C they have given 3. Put here and find the value of theta. C they have given 3 and this they have given 4. 5 2s are 10 minus 30 cos theta is equal to what? 16 minus 25 minus 9. Solve this. Minus 30 cos theta. Here 9 plus 9, that is minus 18. What will be the cos theta? So here we can see cos theta is equal to 18 upon 30. 6 3s are 6 5s are. So theta is equal to cos inverse 3 upon 5. So see here, suppose this is A option, this is B, this is C, this is D. So angle between A and C is cos inverse 3 upon 5. This here B option is the correct option. Very simple problem. What we have to proceed? if you want to find the angle between A and C, to take A and C left hand side and same to same dot product, LHS का LHS से, RHS का RHS से हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट करते हैं और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, तो हमें क्या निकलता है बेटा, एंगल बिटवीन A and C. If they want angle between A and B, suppose, so what we have to do, B will take left hand side, A minus B is equal to C, and then डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेफ्ट का लेफ्ट से, राइट का राइट से, और जो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, ठीक है, these properties we have to use, these characteristic will use, and we can find the angle between two vectors. So this simple problem, very important problem for NET purpose or JEE purpose.